Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Move. And today we're here with another one. It's another video by Mavado, JA, and Dexta with a song called Pain. It's a music video. So we're gonna jump in that one and hear what the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 say. Big up Dexta, big up JA, and big up the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 himself. So let's get in this one and see what the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 say. Let's go.
When we come from, you have to have a gun for you. Every man bad and one proof what them can do. When the feds come, anybody can tell for you. And when the dead is when the most money spent for you. Can't trust friend, can't trust family too. Cause them will give you a gun like a money too.
This too real. This too real. Let's go.
Yeah. When we come from, you have to have a gun for you. Every man bad and one proof what them can do.
Gun come on, gun at the least. So where you come from, you have to have a gun for you, cause every man a bad man. Every man ready for knock it. No man, now let themselves careless, no.
When we come from, you have to have a gun for you. Every man bad and one proof what them can do.
Yeah.
When the feds come, anybody can tell for you. And when the dead is when the most money spent for you.
Hold on. You think a joke? When they're dead, at the most money spent on you. Have a family of foreign. Call them and say, yo, Tom Brown, you know, say, yo, nothing now go on there, need some money and thing. And I'm going to tell you, no money. Some of the time, man, find no money for sure. Me know that. But you see, when a family member dead, you see, everybody put their best foot forward. So what? If you take shame out of feed them here. Not your eye, you know. Feed them here. Yeah, man.
All the time, you know the crime, Yeah. When we come from, you have to have a gun for you. Every man bad and one proof what them can do.
Yeah.
When the feds come, anybody can tell for you. And when the dead is when the most money spent for you. Can't trust friend, can't trust family too. Cause them will give you a gun like a money too. And me gonna teach me this family clip. So when you make it, you come from this America. From real bad life.
Only God. The recognizable voice of the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 God. David Brooks, David Constantine, Mavado. Bad artist, Bumbaclaw, top artist.
Some jeepers, creepers life.
Jeepers!
When the dogs them not sleep at night. If you fuck around on a real drive by. Man attack.
Play my part. You are Dodos badness man attack. Dan shit badness man attack. Yeah. Them thing that with the pan. Grung lad badness man attack. And a normal badness. Yeah.
Play my part. You are Dodos badness man attack. Long before some pussy could attack. Me keep a ear close to my heart. Killers living at the wild. We feed from wild cards. You feel know where the badness start. Fat boss are the godfather of New York.
Bumbaclaw. You're the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 man. You're the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 God. Melody for days. Yeah. Man attack, yeah.
Long before some pussy could attack.
Yeah.
Me keep a ear close to my heart.
Yeah.
Living at the wild. We feed from wild cards.
Yeah.
You feel know where the badness start. Fat boss are the godfather of
New York.
In the game, if you're right on a friend, you chop it off. Legendary to the crowd.
Bumbaclaw.
You know where the badness start. Fat boss are the godfather
For New York.
In the game, if you're right on a friend, you chop it off.
In the game, if you're right on a offend, you chop it off. So basically, what am I saying this? You can't trust nobody in the game, brother. Even your closest, where they beside you every day. Where you cook with. You see me? Where you go bar, go drink with, where you par with, where you drive in your car with. If them offend you, chop them off. Don't trust nobody in that game, brother. Dog eat dog world out here. Eh?
Boss of the Godfather.
For New York.
In the game, if you're right on a friend, you chop it off. Legendary to the crowd. The world full of hate on the streets now, no love, no love.
Yeah, the bumbuckler bad singer. The word for that hate on the street now, no love. Move. Think I joke? Yeah, the bad singer.
The world full of hate on the streets now, no love, no love. Can't live a thing that will make shot a sing like chorus, chorus. Everybody ring God, but still prayed up. Missy friend, I kill friend, I get famous.
Yo! Here.
Thing that will make shot a sing like chorus, chorus. Everybody ring God, but still prayed up.
Everybody ring God to stay prayed up. Everybody had a gathering. Back in the days, gathering was a taboo subject. Nobody not talk about it. A man will all hide them gathering. No, a man tell you say, yo, I'm here, me gather up, I want to hear. Man, I'll sing about it. Yo!
Everybody ring God, but still prayed up. Missy friend, I kill friend, I get famous.
Yeah.
No love, no love.
3 bad artists, man.
Running up from police, no search babe. Running for Lisa Mercedes.
Gun in a prom police, no search baby. Brown in favor Lisa Mercedes. Big up Lisa.
No love.
It's bad. It's a show, this. A movie. Yeah.
Running up from police, no search babe. Running for Lisa Mercedes. Set up your friend, but
I started that. I started that, sir.
no search babe. Running for Lisa Mercedes.
A star, yes. A star show off a Rolex. Yeah, a star.
Set up your friend, but I still no persuade. No make your body scare a church lead. You know my scheme is a work deal. My rope fly high like a bird cage. Police are linked with parrot and canary. The government
Police are linked with parrot and canary. Police are linked with informer. Police are linked with people in the community where sing and I tell the police them what go on. You have some police who will left all some phone in the community with some people and say, oh, if anything, just call me on the phone. Boom, 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 boom. You see me? Yeah. So police are linked with parrot and canary. Police are linked with singing birds.
Police are linked with parrot and canary. The government are the root. It's so savage. When I touch you, they have to have a gunfire. Streets is like that. It's so savage. Everybody lined up with them a gunfire. At the age of 30 in the street, turn me to a man, stamina just bad. Hard life bring pain, me a custom.
I mean, you're 30 in the street turning into a monster, brother. I don't know him just a bad. Hard life. Make him do that.
Street turn me to a man, stamina just bad. Hard life bring pain, me a custom. At the belly of the beast, me a bust from. Dogs eat dogs, give us mental breakdown. Pure criminal, and the poorer class get pure minimal. Politicians drop replying so clinical. Yeah, when them dead a state funeral.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true, brother. When a politician dead, that's the biggest thing. State funeral them get. Even though them got so much fucked up things in that place. Yeah. No joke. When a politician dead, brother. Yo, Jano.
Yeah, when them dead a state funeral. Yeah. The world full of hate on the streets now, no love, no love. Can't live a thing that will make shot a sing like chorus, chorus. Everybody ring God, but still prayed up. Missy friend, I kill friend, I get famous. No love, no love. When we come from, you have to have a gun for you. Every man bad a man prove what them can do. When the facts come, anybody can tell upon you. And when the dead is when the most money spent upon you.
Buckler. No joke. No joke. Real song. Real song. You be up to 3G them. JA, at the first me react to a song for you. Bro, but you don't know. You don't know. You see there was with two top gunners. You see me? Big up JA, big up yourself, my G. You do it, my fam. Mavado. I expect no better, man. I expect no better. That's not that. This is Mavado. Dexta. Come on, bro. Real song, man. Real song. Real song. Brother, this bad. This I got up and repeat for me, brother. This I got up and repeat for me, brother. When Mavado sing a song, bro, it well put together. And if have a collab with them other two artists, especially Dexta, problem. So Vado, big up yourself, hit song. JA, big up yourself, bro. You get a hit, my fam. Dexta Daps, you have many hits, but this is the next hit added to it. You see me? This is what I'm going to leave down. If you enjoyed the one, I want to see more from your G. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here. If you're new, and I'll definitely see you in the next one if God's spirit life. You know? Pew!